Just making pork fajitas. I'm gonna try it, see how it works anyhow. You got pork steak, put salt.
What kind of winged things?
Black pepper. A little bit of garlic. And cumin. You grab my butt.
Oh, shit. Bye, Randy, what is it?
You grab my butt. Groot, I'm gonna cook you next. Terry gets the easy part. Open a can of refried beans. Heat up tortillas.
Microwave rice, apparently.
We get to play with fire.
Microwave rice.
Yeah.
You like playing with fire. Don't bitch about fire.
I said we get to play with fire. I said we get to, not we have to, we get to. There's a difference.
Starting a fire makes your day.
You know, I could put you in it. You're trying to spread it evenly as best I can. There.
What kind of winged things?
You want me to record and build a fire?
If you want to. I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to build a fire. If not, then they shouldn't.
That was my thought too.
What do we got? Salsa from the dollar store. Rotel. Tomatoes. Canned refried bean. This is gourmet nacho. No, this is not gourmet nacho cheese, but that's what we're using. I also have something in the fridge of whatever's left of this Taco Bell mild queso sauce. And then this, I have never done. This is Spanish rice. Cook in a bag in the microwave. Hey, we're gonna try it. We'll see. All right. This is why we cooked meat. We'll do this later because this all takes like no time. I'm gonna toast some tortillas and we're gonna have dinner. Oh, and this was the only kind of chips they had at a dollar store and spent over 25 bucks. That's crazy. The meat came from earlier. That's not even included in the price. Just the tortillas, the chips, the beans, the rotel, the cheese, and the rice, and the Tostitos, whatever salsa. 25 bucks. Things have got to get better. It's gonna be a little bit of background noise. We're on the front porch. It's hot.
It won't take long.
That's a lot of meat for us too, baby.
Yeah. We'll be here all weekend.
Oh, that look good.
They built tender as hell. They said tender on the package. Now we're gonna let those rest. And we're gonna slice them in fajitas. Right, here's our pork steaks. Just gonna cut them in strips, try and go across grain. Always go across grain, cut fajitas. Terry's worried because you might see some pink still left in it. It's pork. It's at a good temperature. We're gonna microwave it and we're gonna eat it anyhow later on, so it's fine. If you're gonna eat it right away, I might cook it 3 minutes longer. That's about it.
How long did we cook that? I don't remember.
Maybe
7 minutes?
per side, yeah, about 7 minutes a side. But I flipped it more than once, so I mean, just to make sure the outside didn't get burnt or charred or too crispy. This even has some bones in it for the pups later on.
That was really good. Now I'm hungry.
Groot wants to try it. That's too small a bone.
Yeah, it's a pointy bone too. What kind of dish would you? Okay, that works too.
Why dirty another one? And you're all worried about fajita seasoning. Salt, pepper, garlic, cumin.
That's good. Not for Rudy.
Hey, but I was gonna taste you a plate. Mama said no. A piece of fat?
No. I was chewing the meat off his bone. These bones are too.
You want another bone?
These bones are. They're too sharp to give to the dogs.
I didn't mean those
they're
bones.
not getting.
He can't get nothing. And you know somebody's gonna comment, oh, that's too rare for pork. No, it's good.
We haven't died yet. And it's all gonna be reheated because we're not ready to eat yet, other than what we're eating now. Now that right there around the meat, yeah, around the bone, yeah, I might be over it. But I'll still eat it.
That's fat.
Yum.
I do want to get rid of this. I think it's a bad idea.
Mm-hmm. Yum.
Sip. Sip.
Yummy. Oh, dogs are getting a bite. Yum. Not the bones. The bones are too sharp. Hey, let's make some ghetto
Ghetto?
cheese dip.
Not know how to ghetto away.
Gourmet.
You figure you have a bigger booty if you're a ghetto away.
All right, stop. I'll put all this in here. Yep. I had some left over. Okay. Whatever left is going in there. 1 can of Rotel Original. Not spicy, which surprised me. Juice and all goes in. Let's mix it up. I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. That. A little bit of salt. I'll put this on a stove on a low heat with a lid. Don't want to burn the bottom. I just want it to get warm. You could do this in a microwave. Hey, but I need the microwave because I'm about to make some beans. Heat up some canned refried pinto beans. I do have a video on how to make refried beans from scratch, but you know, it's a holiday weekend and it's just for me and him, and it's gonna be a lot of beans. Like we're gonna be having like bean and egg tacos for breakfast and stuff. I have no clue. Anyway, Bobby doesn't like to add water to his beans, so just leave the juice that's in the can in there. Mix it up nice and good. We got a little pepper. It's really not a lot, like a tablespoon. Salt. A touch of garlic powder. What is this? Cumin. Cumin in the beans? I'm gonna go easy on a little bit of cumin. Like that easy. Easy, easy. I'm gonna pop this in the microwave. Let it cook. Or it's not cooked. Basically, it's already cooked. Just let it heat up. This is on low, but we're still gonna keep turning it and stirring it to make sure it doesn't burn. I've never done rice this way. Cooking a pack. Ready rice. 90 seconds. Spanish style rice. Here. Windwood. It's done. See, this is hot. Okay. Pour it in there. Give it a mix. Let it cool down and I will taste it. Wow. Actually tastes like if you were to go to a Mexican restaurant and got Mexican rice or Spanish rice. What'd you eat? Cool.